In recent years, the idea of colonizing Mars has captured the imagination of people all over the world. The Red Planet has been the subject of numerous Hollywood blockbusters and sci-fi novels, but the reality of colonizing Mars is no longer science fiction. In fact, the race to colonize Mars is well underway. Leading the charge in this race is Elon Musk's SpaceX. Their goal is to create a self-sustaining city on Mars, and they're not alone. NASA and other space agencies around the world are also working on missions to Mars. So what will it take to get there and establish a human presence on the Red Planet? Let's break it down. The first step is getting there. Mars is 140 million miles away from Earth, which means it takes around 6 to 8 months to travel there. This requires advanced spacecraft capable of carrying humans and all the supplies they need for the journey. Once on Mars, establishing a human presence will be a huge challenge. The planet's atmosphere is thin and the surface is barren and inhospitable. There is no breathable air, no food, and no water. So, we need to find a way to produce these things on the planet. To do this, scientists and engineers are developing advanced technology to create self-sustaining habitats that can produce food, water, and oxygen. These habitats will be designed to protect humans from the harsh Martian environment, including radiation and extreme temperatures. These habitats will also need to be built using materials found on Mars itself. This will require mining operations and the development of advanced 3D printing technology to create the necessary infrastructure. Additionally, any human presence on Mars will require regular resupply missions from Earth to ensure the colony has enough resources to survive. Finally, there are the challenges of maintaining human health on Mars. Living on the Red Planet will expose humans to levels of radiation that are not present on Earth. This means developing new medical technology and protocols to ensure the health and safety of the colony. To date, there have been over 50 missions to Mars by various countries, with about half of them being successful. However, only a handful of them have been manned missions. The first manned mission to Mars is currently planned for the 2030s. The development of a self-sustaining base on Mars is estimated to cost around $100 billion, according to NASA. This includes the cost of developing and launching the necessary technology and infrastructure, as well as the cost of maintaining the colony over time. The SpaceX Starship rocket, which is currently in development, will be capable of carrying up to 100 people to Mars at once. It is intended to be fully reusable, which will help to reduce the cost of each mission. Mars has been the subject of intense study by scientists for many years. We now know that the planet was once much more hospitable, with flowing water and a thicker atmosphere. The discovery of water on Mars is a significant step towards the goal of establishing a human presence on the planet. The race to colonize Mars is a bold and ambitious goal, but it is one that has captured the imagination of people all over the world. If successful, it could pave the way for a new era of space exploration and discovery. It will require the best and brightest minds to work together to overcome the many challenges ahead, but the rewards could be truly out of this world. Establishing a human presence on another planet could open up a new era of exploration and discovery that could change the course of human history.